Bird's nest is made from the nutrient-rich salivary secretion of swiftlets. For centuries, this premium beauty treat has been known as an imperial delicacy. Even Yang Guifei, one of China's 4 great beauties, consumed it for beauty and health. As a heritage and #1 TCM brand, Yu Yansang has been bringing the best to our customers since 1879. At Yu Yansang, we only obtain the best of the best grade premium house and cave nests from exclusive sources. House nests are built in man-made swift houses and are used by the swiftlets for nesting. The swiftlets dart into holes in the roofs and build their nest on the beams and walls of the house. Nests that are abandoned by the swiftlets are then collected. The house nests are harvested in Kalimantan, Indonesia. Sheltered in bird houses and not exposed to natural elements, house nests are usually softer. Stable temperature, luminosity, and humidity can usually be achieved in this controlled environment. House nests have less impurities and feathers and are shaped like a boat. Their texture is softer and smoother, and they require a shorter soaking and cooking time. Cave nests are found in dangerous and highly inaccessible locations like steep cliffs, overhanging crags, and deep natural stone walls or limestone caves. Harvested from Sarawak, Tawau, and Baram, strong and skillful harvesters go through great risks to collect abandoned cave nests from dangerous heights. As cave nests are located in harsh environments with unpredictable temperatures and conditions, they are harder and more heat-resistant. Cave nests also have more natural minerals, which are absorbed from the natural rocks and stone walls. Influenced by the natural environment, their texture tends to be stiffer and harder, with a darker color. They are also firmer in consistency, with plenty of nutrients. After harvest, our experts apply their skilled workmanship and nimble hands to painstakingly and manually clean every piece of bird's nest. This is done under strict hygiene standards, and no bleaching or treatment is done. We take stringent steps to grade our raw bird's nests through meticulous tests. All our raw bird's nests are quality checked by our experienced herbs master and come with a certificate of authenticity. Bird's nest is rich in minerals and epidermal growth factor, promoting smooth and supple skin. Enjoy the benefits of bird's nest with our wide range of raw and bottled bird's nest. Speak to our certified TCM herbalists in store to help you select the right herbs. Your health is important to us. Choose only the best. Get the best. Get Yu Yansang.